Hi guys, let's make the most amazing oxtail stew. I know you all are gonna love this one. Let's get started. So let's take a quick look at the ingredients I'll be using. Here I have my oxtail that was marinating overnight. I'll be using some bell peppers, onions, garlic, ginger. I have habanero peppers, thyme, parsley, scallions, some butter bean, as well as tomato sauce. In this bowl I have some Chief Chinese sauce and browning mixed. I'll be using some brown sugar, and these are my favorite seasoning: bouillon, complete seasoning, mushroom seasoning, black pepper, and seasoned salt. So here's how I season my oxtail. First, I wash it up in some limes and vinegar, and I'll be using some fresh green seasoning. I have some brown stew seasoning here, some browning, and for my powdered seasonings, I'll be using garlic and onion powder, bouillon, black pepper, complete seasoning, and some seasoned salt. Now, please remember, you can use whatever seasonings you like here. It doesn't have to be the ones I'm using. Basically, what I did was added all of the ingredients, mix well, and I cover this and allow it to marinate overnight. I will leave all the correct measurements that I use in the description box, for those that are learning. One ingredient I forgot to mention, I have some crushed pimento berries here. I use my mortar and I just crush the berries up, and they're fresh in this. This gives it a great flavor. To my preheated skillet, I did add a little oil, and now we'll go in with those oxtails. We'll place them in here and allow them to brown. You want to give them a nice sear. So when they sear on one side, we will flip them over and allow them to become brown on the other side. Once the oxtails are brown on both sides, we'll go ahead and add some hot water here, enough to cover them. Then we'll add some pimento berries and thyme. We'll cover and allow this to simmer on medium to low heat for about an hour or two. So after about an hour and 45 minutes, we are now giving this a check, and as you can see, the oxtails are nice and tender, so we can proceed with the next step. We'll now add our aromatics, which are the onions, bell peppers, garlic, and ginger. We'll give that a good stir, and then we will go in with our tomato sauce. We'll also add some of that browning sauce for a richer color, because we want a nice rich color in our stew. And then we will go in with some hot water. We will add some seasonings to flavor the pot back up. And please remember, you can use whatever seasonings you like here. It doesn't have to be the ones I'm using. Use your favorites. We will add a tad bit of brown sugar to create that balance. And then we'll go in with our butter bean. We will also add a little bit of cornstarch. We will add like a teaspoon of cornstarch with some water, because I like to use that as a thickener. I just like the texture that it gives. So we will add that in, and then the last thing we'll add is our habanero peppers and some thyme. We will cover this and allow it to simmer on medium to low heat for about 8 to 10 minutes. After about 10 minutes, we will garnish with some fresh scallions and parsley. And that's it, guys. That's how I make the most delicious oxtail stew. Now I will plate it up and show you all the finished product. So I did plate this up with some rice and peas, fried ripe plantains, and fried cabbage. And let me tell you, it was amazing. I really enjoyed it, and I hope you guys give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. Let me know how you guys make your oxtail stew. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button for your girl. I will be leaving all the ingredients that I use down in the description box. And I'll see you guys next time. Have a good day, and thank you for watching.